So, as you can see, Cthulhu is fully assembled. And he is heavy. Now, I'd say I've got about, keychain wise, probably 60% of the keychains. The other 40 I left in the bucket. But yeah, it's a total of 35 lanyards and 81 keychains that make his ass possible. So, yeah. So I got all the lanyards on here. They're all together, all connected by two separate key rings, and then they're connected to each other. And then I got the 3 carbiners holding all the keychains together, held together by 1 carbiner. So yeah, I did pretty good. I'm pretty happy. And then I got let's see. Yeah, these two are separate because they got my house keys and stuff. So yeah, that is Cthulhu 2.0 fully assembled. Even got a light up. So until next time, and that is a loud ass fucking truck. Pain in my ass. Whatever. So until next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers.